G'day, it's the lawn expert here. I'm at a new customer's lawn here today. We've just treated it and it's got a few issues that I'd like to go through and show you what's happening and how we've fixed the problems, and going forward how we're going to improve the lawn. Okay, this is the new lawn here here in Schofields, northwest Sydney, and a few pointers. Okay, we're going to today we've heavily fertilised the lawn. Where there's damage to the lawn, we've heavily fertilised, put extra fertiliser on, so that we can try and get some recovery in the lawn over the next 6 to 8 weeks before winter kicks in. And in terms of weed control, we're going to get rid of all the weeds here in this couch lawn, or Bermuda grass as they call it in America. So all the clover, bindii, broadleaf weeds, dandelions, and then all the grassy weeds including paspalum we'll be getting rid of as well. So let's just move along. I just want to show a couple of things that are happening with this lawn. Okay, you can see up the driveway here, I knew what was happening here the day of the quote. The owner of the house straight away admitted that he'd been spraying Roundup on the pavers, and what's happened is this is spray drift that's of the Roundup. It's sprayed across onto the lawn and killed off the couch. So we've heavily fertilised this, and hopefully we'll get some recovery before winter. So moving along, so this is all a couch lawn. Along the northern side, a little bit of shade problem. So the couch is, even though it is a little bit shade tolerant, it still needs plenty of sunlight to and then this is just where they've had some building work done and they've re-turfed. Okay, so this is all brand new couch, been laid about 3 weeks ago. So if we keep going into the backyard, okay, so we've got this new couch lawn going well, and then out the back is the pre-existing couch, and we've sprayed the broadleaf weeds and the winter grass and broom grass, pigeon grass, etc, etc. So that's just about wraps it up. That's all for today for this new job here in Schofields. We'll be back in about 2 to 3 weeks to check on the progress, and also to there we go, also to check on the progress and make sure we've got all the weeds under control, and that'll be another happy customer. Okay, see you guys, cheers, bye bye.